Thinking about selling your house fast. Cash buyers sound tempting, but are they really the best option for you? In this video, I'm breaking down the pros and cons of selling to a cash home buyer so you know exactly what you're getting into before you make a big decision. Cash home buyers are companies or investors who purchase houses directly. That means no banks, no agents, and no months of waiting around. It sounds simple, right? Well, like most things in real estate, there are benefits and drawbacks. Let's start with the pros. One of the biggest advantages is speed. A traditional home sale can take months, but with a cash buyer you can often close in as little as 7 days. That's a game changer if you're facing foreclosure, relocating for a new job, or just need to move quickly. Another big pro is no repairs. Cash buyers purchase homes as is. That means you don't need to fix the roof, update the kitchen, or even clean up the yard. They'll handle it all after closing, saving you thousands in repair costs and weeks of stress. Next is certainty. Traditional buyers rely on lenders, inspections, and appraisals. Deals fall apart all the time. With cash buyers, there are fewer moving parts and a much lower chance of the deal collapsing at the last minute. And finally, simplicity. Selling a home can be exhausting. Staging the property, hosting open houses, keeping the place spotless, it's a lot. With a cash buyer, you skip all of that. It's just an offer and a closing date. Now let's talk about the cons. The most obvious one is price. Cash buyers usually don't pay full market value. They factor in the cost of repairs, holding expenses, and their own profit. So if getting the absolute top dollar for your home is your number one goal, a cash buyer may not be your best fit. Another concern is scams. Not every cash buyer is reputable. Some will make a big offer up front, then try to renegotiate at the last minute, hoping you'll feel pressured to accept. Always do your homework and check reviews before signing anything. There's also the fact that you don't have competition. When you list your home on the open market, multiple buyers might bid against each other, driving the price up. With a cash buyer, it's usually just one offer on the table. And last, less negotiation power. Many cash offers are presented as take it or leave it. You might not have much room to negotiate the price or terms compared to a traditional sale. So who is a cash sale really for? It makes the most sense if you're dealing with foreclosure, inherited a house you don't want to fix up, need to relocate quickly, or own a property with major repairs or code issues. On the other hand, if your home is in good condition, you're not in a rush, and you want top market value, you'll probably do better listing with a real estate agent. Selling to a cash buyer isn't for everyone, but it can be the perfect solution if speed and convenience matter most. So what do you think? Would you ever sell your house to a cash buyer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and share this with someone who's thinking about selling their home. And if you're curious about what a cash offer might look like on your own house, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.